Welcome to another Kush to Crypto video. Today we're going to be talking quickly about this Bitcoin OS bridge and the drama that's going on. First of all, obviously I'm going to bring up Ribbon Flow Pro. We've just had a great update where you can adjust these lines and you will only trade between these lines. So when you're coming up to an area of resistance and you think a short is going to come on, you can adjust the top bar to not trade above the top of the ribbon and only look for the short. And vice versa, if you're down an area of support and you think, oh, okay, we're going to break out soon, adjust these lines either side of the bar and just try and get the long. This will stop it chopping. So you can hear you've got this long here. You could cancel out that chopping by just grabbing the bar and bringing it down so it's not going to take that long entry and only take the short entry. I'm going to be testing it out on all these coins that are on Blowfin, and all these coins will be traded without me being at the screen, without me being at the computer. I can still work my minimum wage job with my smooth brain and the trades will happen for me. So I'm going to be testing out this week on probably a 4-hour time frame and set up to get some entries, longs and shorts, and see how profitable I can get across these coins using a simulator. So it's not going to be real money, it's going to be simulated money. If it's working well, we'll start deploying real money. And if you are interested in this product, join the free Telegram Signal group down below. I will be getting all of these alerts and all of the take profit targets and stop loss settings. It's all going to be alerted in there. So if you're interested, and you could even trade along with it if you wanted to, just join the free group in the description down below. Anyway, that's enough of me shilling my product. Let's take a look at this Bitcoin OS situation. So basically what Bitcoin OS is sort of like a bridge from Bitcoin over to Cardano. It's going to like wrap the Bitcoin so you can bring it over to ADA and use it in DeFi. And from listening to this video here, he is talking about the drama, which is the fact that now they are saying that they are releasing their own coin, and everyone's like, why do you need a coin? What's the point in having a coin? Surely you just pay the fees in Bitcoin or ADA or whatever other token it's bridging to, and you can just use Babel fees to pay for it like that. He's saying it's more than just that. What we're building is something to do with rebasing, and you can still earn rewards from other coins. When he's talking, I honestly don't know if he's sure if it will even work, and the fact that they've kind of sprung this token on people now means it might have just been in like an afterthought, and it could be a cash grab. But either way, the token being there shouldn't really affect the product. If you're just bridging over and you want to use Bitcoin or ADA anyway, then it's not going to affect it. You can just bridge and pay with what you wanted to pay. Just don't buy the coin. I don't know what the big fuss is about. But there is going to be a spaces to try and get some clarity on it. I mean, if you look at the comments on here as well, it's like, glad that you worked with Cardano. That said, there is no functional need for the token from taking a position in BOS. ADA peeps need to be more professional and diplomatic. Sorry about them. So he's saying that there's no real need for the token. And then the founder is replying saying, the token is functional, but end users will not usually need to hold it. It's more for power users. But I'm looking forward to seeing this guy getting grilled in this space. And listening to him talk, I just feel like he's kind of unsure on the coin itself as well. He reminds me of this guy, Dr. Julian Hosp, used to be the co-founder of 10x. I would make videos on this guy back in like 2017. He really took me for a ride with 10x. This coin, it was like a card payments coin, but didn't get too burnt on it. But I don't think the OS coin is gonna get many people buzzing around it. I mean, people might use the bridge, but I don't think people are going to be buying this coin too much, and he might have a nasty surprise. The other thing is, why would you use this bridge? ADA guys, you need to be looking at Rosenbridge. If you want Bitcoin over on ADA, just use the Rosenbridge. And speaking of Rosenbridge, look at the chart. This is in USD value. It's looking really good. It's broken past up resistance. I wish I could put the Ribbon Flow Pro indicator on it. And in ERGO price, like if you got a bag of ERG, this is gonna have this is gonna be coming down as ERGO gets more popular, down to probably like 5 cents. The recovery on this is gonna be insane. And the way that this guy was talking about this Bitcoin OS project as well, it literally just sounds like Rosenbridge anyway. They're talking about like ZK proofs and all this sort of stuff. I don't really understand that too much. Like I've watched so many videos on ZK proofs and all this in the past, but I don't know if this product is going to be super used. But I'm open-minded to a good bridge. But I would just say, if you want to get Bitcoin over onto another chain, just use Rosen. It's going to so many coins. It's going to so many chains, and it helps ERGO. The ERGO transactions go up. Just buy Rosen. Don't buy Bitcoin OS. Just buy Rosen. That's all I've got to say on this matter anyway. So goodbye.